L'evento è stato interessantissimo, ci sono stati molti panels e molte presentazioni veramente interessanti.
For me, the highlight of the Battery Asset Management Summit are the networking opportunities, not only to catch up with clients, but as well, it's a great opportunity to speak with all our partners and push our collaborations further.
I love the venue first, then especially like the people met that's super relevant for what we're looking for, and the atmosphere is really intimate. Really recommended.
Mi è piaciuto il taglio, l'organizzazione, il modo in cui si crea connessione tra aziende che tendenzialmente è estremamente difficile contattare e soprattutto non si ha mai il tempo poi di andare ad approfondire così tanto.
The biggest highlight has been the round table, actually being able to sit with industry people and have question and answers, not just be on stage and give your view, but interactive has been really good.
For us, definitely the quality of the people and the quality of the conversations we had was the highlight of the conference. There's a lot of decision makers here and it's great to get in touch and to have very easy conversations. Lots of opportunity.